Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with another Shein haul. So if you want to see all the pieces that I've collected and how I've put them together, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, here we are for the second time with another Shein sponsored video. And I'm going to start with this cute little outfit that I have on here. It's a two-piece. It's not a set, but I have put them together. This absolutely beautiful, like a burst of flower. You slide it on over your head, guys, and it has a lot of stretch in the back. It's absolutely beautiful for evenings out, dinner with hubby, or even just hanging out with the girls. Now, I've paired it with these absolutely amazing black cargo pants. They are oversized with elastic in the bottom and these beautiful big pockets on both sides, which are really good if you don't want to carry a purse or a pocketbook. You can drop your little items in it, maybe like your phone and a lip gloss or something. I absolutely love these two pieces. They go very well together if you want to break them up and wear them with something else. Super cute. I just love these items from Shein. I went ahead and added some heels and it's a wrap. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, for look number 2, when I saw these jeans, I absolutely had to have them. Now, you know I do extra all the time, and these jeans are no different. They are bell bottoms and they have these suspenders just hanging, just carefree for that little extra detail, you know. So gorgeous. I've paired it with this little white top. This top is not from Shein, but I'll leave a link below. They have pockets on the front, oversized, everything that I want in the jeans. The length is perfect. I just absolutely love the way they fit. Super gorge. Now guys, you know everything that I do, I always have you in mind. So I'm going to leave a link. That way you can shop using this code and get your discount. Now these jeans are perfect for going out with your girlfriends. You know, comfy, stylish, looking good, feeling good. Maybe you're going out to brunch or to grab a bite to eat in the evening. Super gorge. Okay guys, so I added another look to these jeans, and what I did was I took it down a notch. You know, maybe dinner is over but you're not ready to go home. You maybe want to go to your girlfriend's house to kick it a little bit. I traded my heels for some sneakers, also from Shein, super gorge, and I added this little pocketbook around my waist. Now these sneakers are super light, very trendy. They're chunky. Absolutely gorgeous. Gives me that little extra height that I need, you know. And it's also perfect for walking around if you're going to be out and, you know, shopping all day. Super gorge. Now my next look are these funky pants that when I saw them online, I thought they were like that jean material. But they aren't, guys. They're even better than that because they stretch. Winning. I love the tie-dye effect that it has with the different colors, and it has all these tassels just hanging all over as if someone just put a scissor to it and did what they needed to do. They're bell bottoms, guys, and I love this piece. No, I kept it simple up top because the bottom is saying a whole lot, so I just went with this black button down to simplify things and added some heels. This is a fun piece, guys. Now you could even just wear it with like a tank top or something of that nature, going out with your friends again, or just, you know, going to a party or a club or something. It is an absolutely amazing piece. This is a statement piece, guys, and it is absolutely gorge. For my next look, I'm wearing these beautiful tights. They are kind of pleather, super soft, super comfy. I'm pairing it with this top that I already had with, it just has ties on the side, guys, and the gold buttons going up the front. But I love these tights because they're super stylish. They have like darts and gathers going up the sides of them. And then at the bottom where the ankles are, it's open on the side. Very, very detailed, very, very beautiful. Now this is a very nice piece for like a date night, going out with hubby. Maybe you guys are going to like a jazz club or maybe an outdoor concert or something. This is perfect because it's still sexy, but you're covered and it's giving you all the feels. Love, love, love this piece. Okay guys, so this little cute two-piece set is basically loungewear. It's giving lounging around the house, PJs. I just want to be comfortable at home, sipping on my hot chocolate, watching a Lifetime movie. And as you can see, I have my fluffy slippers on, my house slippers. So it's a really, really cute two-piece. It's long sleeve, but I love to roll my sleeves up. As you can see, it has like the cold shoulder, and I love my shoulders out. Y'all already know that. This is just a cute little loungewear set, and I absolutely love it. Now, while I was on the Shein side, honey, I found me some shoes, okay? These are some beautiful slide-ons with the big butterfly, diamond encrusted butterfly on the front. It has the straps at the back to hold it up on your heel. That beautiful little heel. Now, it is not very tall. It may be like 3 or 4 inches, but it's super gorge. It has the little holes on the side to let air in. That way your foot's not sweating and, you know, carrying on all kinds of different ways. But absolutely gorgeous slippers. Then I got these black ones also. These also have the straps on the back to hold it up onto over your heel so that it doesn't slide off. It has that little chain that comes with it and that bow in the front. Real simple, real cute, see-through. They're kind of like Cinderella slippers, if you know what I mean. Absolutely gorge. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for taking the time to see this try-on haul from Shein. Remember to check the description box below so you can click the links to go ahead and order and, you know, make sure you get your discount for all the items that I have here and so much more. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple, guys. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know exactly how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.